Hello! We're going to present the trick called Birds of a Feather Flock Together. To do this trick, you need the cards from ace to 5 in hearts and also ace to 5 in clubs. Merrick, I'm going to ask you to pick a pile and place it on the other one. Then you'll turn this new pile upside down so I do not know the order of the cards.
Okay. Okay, I'm done.
Great. Now you can cut this pile as many times as you want.
Great.
Thank you. Now I'm creating two new piles. Now, Merrick, listen closely to what I have to ask you. You're going to pick a pile and then do position changes. A position change consists of taking the top card and placing it at the bottom. Do you understand?
Yes.
Great. Pick a pile and do 4 position changes.
Okay. Great.
I'm removing the top cards. Now, Merrick, you can repeat this step, however this time do 3 position changes.
Okay. I'm done.
Once again, I'm removing the top card. Now, Merrick, pick another pile and do 2 position changes.
Okay.
As you can guess, I'm removing the top cards. Now, Merrick, for the last time, do a position change with the pile of your choice.
Only one?
Yes. Now, do you remember the name of the trick?
Birds of a feather flock together?
That's exactly it. See, we found a pair.
Wow.
Wouldn't it be great if we found all the pairs?
I'd be super impressed.
Well, get ready to be impressed.
Wow, how did you do that?
It's up to you to find out.